How to turn off sound in Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you want a quiet gaming experience in Genshin Impact, maybe to play at night, save battery, or focus better, you can easily mute the game sounds from the settings. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Genshin Impact game on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the main game section, go ahead and tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on the gear icon on the left. Once you do that, it'll open the settings menu. From the left-hand side, tap on Audio. Inside the audio settings, go ahead and adjust the volume according to your preference. If you want to mute the volume, then simply go ahead and tap the slider and drag it towards the left and make sure that the speaker looks like this. You can also tweak in other audio settings such as music volume, dialogue volume, SFX volume, voice chat volume, microphone volume, and so on. Just adjust the music or sound according to your preference, and from there you can easily turn off the sound or adjust the sound balance in Genshin Impact. Now you can get back to your game section and enjoy the game quietly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.